faces, been to many places in my journey through all those years. I've seen so many eyes with joy and loneliness, sparkling tears of sorrow and laughter. I've seen wrong sides in right, and there are struggles and fight, but I know that we can work things out if we try very hard to make our dreams come alive. Then it will be alright. In my eyes you'll see how beautiful life can be. In my eyes you'll be a witness to reality. Oh, the whisper of hope keeps us running to our goal, and the Maker is our inspiration. The pictures of life, there's something to realize, what pretenders ignore to see. Take a look at them, take a look at them now, the pictures in my eyes. I've seen a dead man walking, and it seems he's talking well. I don't know if he really cares. He loves his diamonds and rings, don't even know where to bring. His eyes are covered with pleasure, and I've seen some ray of light, they really shine so bright. Oh, I know they've come from heaven above. So let us do our part, tell the world of His love, and